Dollar Tree fidget hunting. We're here. So I'm asking my money. Let's go. School just ended, so we're celebrating. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Toy aisle. They have globals. We gotta test this out. They have the squishes. They have mochis. I'm gonna get this back. Lots of putty. I'm gonna get 2. Slinky. Sorry, I'm being quiet. Stationery. We have boxes of mochi. Oh wow! I have all the colors. We're heading to arts and craft. Some glue for DIY. Alright, we're on our way out. We're back. We're back in the car, and I'll give you guys a haul when I get home.
It came! It finally came! The big one.
Some fidgets with me. We're going this weekend somewhere, so we're gonna need some fidgets. Start by taking this drawer up because this is the drawer I've been using to make some videos, and there's a bunch of just random fidgets in here. Now for the bag. In this. Lots of space. Let's dump this. There's a lot of fidgets. Anyway, let's start packing. Pop it, you know we're gonna bring my last one lost. I mean, Chucklin or Pop It. This is gonna stay out though because I'm gonna use this for the car. This yellow circle Pop It. Pineapple Pop It. Square Pop It. I have some fans I'm gonna be meeting when I go, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna bring some dimple fidgets. I'm gonna bring my simple dimple and my trimple dimple. Candy cube. Changing color Neato. Magnet rings. Plastic and textured. Mesh. Track. Decagon. A Pop It. And lastly, a fidget pad. And a cube. Bye, everyone. Guys, I'm at Five Below and they have Pop Its. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so I got the glitter blue octagon Pop It, the purple glitter octagon Pop It, a red slime liquor. Oh my gosh, I can't believe they have these. They're always sold out. And a blue slime liquor because I had to get one of each. Guys, if you have a Five Below near you, go right now. They have all this stuff. To put it in perspective, you can buy 2 on Amazon for $50 and I literally got 2 for like $6. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Bye guys, and don't forget to follow because we're almost to 400K. And again, I will be doing a giveaway at 400K.
Hey guys, let's go open the dough ball. And by the way, it already has a small hole in it somewhere where air is seeping through it and causing more air to come in and dry out the clay. Let's do it. Let's just keep cutting. Let's get all the clay out. Okay guys, this is the clay and it's time for the first squish. That feels so good. I also have 2 other dough balls. And this one feels so good inside. It feels like a cloud slime. This feels so nice. A 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing my top 5 favorite Poppets and Squishmallows. Let's start with Squishmallows. Also, they aren't in any order. First is Irina. Next we have Pillar. Then we have Heather, Jackie, and Cosmina. Now on to Poppets. First is this hard plastic Poppet. Then we have this teal circle, blue butterfly, orange bear, and blue square. That's all. Bye! Let's see which fidgets float. First up is this needle ball. It floats. Next up is this pink needle ball. It floats again.
Guys, this girl just scammed me. This stress ball is popped. Well, if you want all your fidgets back, you need to work for it. Guys, she is so rude. Well, what do I have to do? Hear me out. You do want all your fidgets back, right? Of course I do. I've heard a lot of people are trading fidgets right now, so go look for some. Fine, I'll be back. This is all I have. Hopefully I can find something good. I've been looking for so long now. Look at those 2 poppets. Hey, can I please offer? Sure. Wait, is that a tangle? Yeah. That's my dream fidget. Here, have them. Okay, thank you so much. I just got these 2 poppets. They're so cute. Let's go trade them. Hopefully I find something good. Hi, can I please offer for one of those? You don't need to offer for one. You could offer for all of them. Okay, I'll give you this pineapple poppet. OMG, yes. Yay, thank you so much. I have so many fidgets now. I'm gonna put them right here. Let's go look for more trades. Is this free? I don't see anyone, so I might just take it. This is so good. I think I could go trade now. Hey, I'm back. Sorry I couldn't find too much. Is that a banana Nito? Have all your fidgets back. OMG, really? Here you go. I'm so happy I got all my fidgets back.
Connecting all of my tangles. This is going to be really big. First, I'm going to start with all the metallics. Now I'm going to add the artistry series. Now the crush series. The clear ones together is just so pretty. I can't wait till I get the rainbow one. It's getting super long, but last but not least, we have the original tangle. Okay, I got them all, and now I'm going to see how far they fit out my window. Okay, guys, I'm at the window. Now let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, it doesn't touch, but it's very close. Okay, once I get more tangles, I am definitely going to connect them again and see how far it reaches that time. But this was so fun. Bye, guys!